Hey, so for this video, I'm gonna assume that you already have something hosted using GitHub Pages. If you don't and you're looking for that, take a look at the Live 3 in the same channel. This is Live 4. And so what we have right now is that we have a project and it has a branch called GitHub Pages. And we're using this to deploy our application into this URL and it's hosted by GitHub Pages, right? What we want to do now is that instead of using this URL, we want to connect this to our custom domain. So I'm gonna go to Google Domains. This is what I'm using lately. I bought for the first time a domain there 2 weeks ago. So far so good. This is the first time that I'm actually gonna try it, so we're gonna see over time. Otherwise, usually I go with name.com. So there you go. We whatever service provider you use, you're gonna go to the DNS settings, okay? And what you want to set up is this. You want to create a records for the root level, and you want to create one CNAME for the www level, which is gonna be your GitHub IO slash your project. And I don't know why. If you know why there's this dot in the end, please leave a comment below. I'm gonna learn something, and I try to learn something new every time. So here, fvunche is my username. Until Live is the project. So I'm using this here, username GitHub IO project, and a dot in the end. Okay, this is at the www level. If you remove and you try to put with a root level, it's not gonna work. So just use this way. And the other thing you're gonna need is the IPs from GitHub. So let's just type GitHub custom domain a records. Yeah, perfect. And you're gonna like when you don't know things, you just Google right and you click the first result. I think it said it previously, but that's so true. And then you come here and you're gonna need these little things. It's gonna be annoying to copy and paste because you cannot copy and paste all at once. So let's do this like this. Boom, just copy and paste everything. And this is always going to be the same for whatever person who's there. This is the same. The other one, you need to customize. This is the same. You just add it and boom. Okay. It might take some time to propagate. So you see, they'll take effect within the next 48 hours. Well, let's see. Usually it's faster than that. Um, we can close this. And in your React application, what you want to do now is that I'm gonna go to the code. I'm gonna close all this stuff. Damn, the font is so big. I can't use it this way. And I'm gonna move myself a little bit higher. So what do we need? We want to make changes to the package JSON. And here, this is changing, right? So I'm just gonna change it to correspond to the current URL. I don't even know if that's a requirement, uh, but it wouldn't make sense to keep in the other one. And I think that's pretty much it that I wanted to change, right? Yeah, so just gonna add this, and I'm gonna commit live 4 now, and GG push. If you're wondering what's GCAM and GG push, you can just type like this, and you can take a look. This is what it's doing. This is commit a git commit all message and git push origin to the current branch. And these are just like default shortcuts from all my ZSH. But okay, just push this, and we're gonna need to use the two scripts provided by the GitHub Pages package, which is here as a dev dependency, and it's gonna deploy the application to GitHub. I explained it better in the previous video. If you want some more information, look at the Live 3. It's good to have numbers. It's easier to reference the video. I like it. So it's deploying. let's go here. If you go to the settings page, for now, nothing to change, but you didn't refresh, right? So if you refresh, this is gonna look blue, uh, which looks good. It's not good enough. We're gonna wait a little bit, just see if it changes. Maybe it's gonna stay blue. Okay, now it's green, but what's the problem? It's still using this URL, right? That's not what we want. And if you go to Untello Live, it's not gonna work. It's a 404. So what do you need here? That's it. Custom domain, save, and BIM. Um, it might take a little while as well. So it's blue again. This blue should be red, right? So counterintuitive, or at least yellow, you know, there's pending. Okay, now it's green. And boom, you got your domain, custom domain, and you got a blog post, a blog hosted on GitHub. And the most interesting part, it's fetching everything directly from Dev.to, which is amazing. So you don't need to write content on Markdown, upload your files into your own project. Now you can just use Dev.to as a backend. And if you want to go through the whole process, you can just start live 1, 2, 3, 4, and there you go. It's finished. Now I don't have much to say. I don't know the topics for the next video. So if you like what you've seen so far, you can hit subscribe below. There's a little bell that's gonna notify you. And if you have a topic that it's related to something like Rails, React, and you'd like just to hear about it more, leave a comment below. See ya. Peace.